Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I like to come in here on Fridays and have a second cup of coffee with you because I can. And this month I'm talking about spring cleaning. I don't know if that's your favorite topic or not, but it sure is one of mine. I love spring cleaning I love spring. It's like a renewal. There's so much excitement in the air. The birds are singing, the squirrels are crazy, and it's just an exciting time of year, almost like it is a rejuvenation. It's like, let's get started again, right? So spring cleaning is like a huge reset of your home. It's like, I know in my closet on Wednesdays I would say, let's bring it back to start, right? And spring cleaning is a huge, let's bring everything back to start. And I'm just here to encourage you on a couple of levels with your spring cleaning. If you haven't done spring cleaning in a couple of years, if you feel overwhelmed by the prospect of spring cleaning, consider hiring someone to help you. Just saying, there's a lot of young people out there who need to save money so they can get a car. And maybe having somebody help you, like get up on the ladder, wipe everything down while you are making the big decisions. Now, a beautiful thing about spring cleaning is if you use it as an opportunity to maybe declutter, to simplify, and make some big decisions. So when it comes to big decisions, I like to use some essential oils to help me out. One is Clarity. It's a blend. And if I don't have that, then I use Rosemary. It kind of just helps your brain to stay on point. You don't want to have squirrel brain when you are spring cleaning, because then you will just make a whole bunch of messes and not accomplish anything. So diffuse some Clarity because it's going to help you. When you are pulling everything out of your cupboards, you can use it as an opportunity to say, do I love this item? Do I use it? So that should be a kind of a rule in your home. If it's not beautiful or useful, consider getting rid of it. When you are doing the process, let's say you've hired a teenager and she's up on the ladder and she's pulling everything out of your cupboards, then it's your job to say, am I going to donate this item? Or am I going to put it in the trash? Or am I going to clean it and put it back in the cupboard? Those are your three choices. And as your teenager is wiping the cupboards, you can, with Clarity, make some decisions. Do I love it? Is it useful? Also, have I used it? Have I used it? So if your item doesn't live up to those three questions, do I love it? Is it useful? Have I used it? Then maybe you should consider simplifying, getting rid of it. Meanwhile, everything is getting wiped down, and I dare say in a full day's work you can get it all done at once. And then your home is back to start. It's fantastic, and you can look forward to the best time of year. Is it inspiring? Or are you like, oh no, I'm not doing that. I know for me, I'm packing, and of course, whenever I leave a place, I try to leave it clean, so I'm wiping down all the cupboards, but I am putting nothing in a box that I do not love, that is not useful, or I have not used. I know I've helped a lot of people move over the years, and the sheer number of decisions that need to be made can get overwhelming. And so they just say, put it in the box, I'll deal with it later. I want to sell it, but put it in the box. I can't have a garage sale now. Clarity. If you don't love it, if it's not beautiful, if you haven't used it and you intend on selling it, can we just put it in this box? Donate it. I know I'd spring cleaned my closet just the other day. Got rid of tons of stuff, felt so good. But this is the process that we go through. We all do it, even me. I decided to get rid of my d.i.n.k shoes because I have not used them in 5 years, and they're heavy, and I don't anticipate using them. They were covered in dust, so that tells me they have not been used. But immediately I'm like, I could sell these on eBay and probably get $30 because they're in pristine condition. I don't have time for that. Donate. So if you can just let go of the need to feel like you're going to get something for what you're getting rid of, just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. So after I spring cleaned my closet, I took it straight to donation, handed it over, felt amazing. I'm not going to give those d.i.n.k shoes another thought. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, just encouraging you, if you are starting to consider spring cleaning and how to go about it, here's a little tip. Consider hiring some help. Someone to do the hard work, the wiping down of inside of the cabinets and cupboards while you are making the hard decisions. If I don't love it, if it's not useful or beautiful, and I haven't used it, I hope you have a great day. Bye.